Hey, what's going on everybody? Michael here. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is a little bit of a different video. So I am currently taking a little bit of a vacation, just taking some time away for the channel just for a week, and I was supposed to have this video out sooner, but better late than never, I suppose. But anyway guys, this is going to be like an audio commentary like video. Today we're going to talk about the EVBase carbon fiber spoiler for the Tesla Model Y. I was kind enough to have received this spoiler from EVBase. They were kind enough to reach out to make this video possible. So I want to take this moment to really shout out EVBase and thank them for taking the journey with the Technoid show and providing me the spoiler. But I also want to disclaim to all of you guys that they have no say or any affiliation to this review. They do not control what I say. Everything is my own opinion and it has no influence on the video. Now that I got that out of the way, I want to kind of talk about the experience so far with the spoiler and also how it's held up so far. It's been about almost a month since I've received it, so I've been actively using it, putting it through, and I recently went on a few big trips that require me going 60 miles and above. New Jersey. So we're going to talk about all that. But anyway guys, taking a look at the unboxing, as you guys can see inside of the box you get the carbon fiber spoiler. You also get some paperwork which details everything. Again, if you want to check it out, I will leave the link in the description where you guys can check out all of the products and everything inside of the box. Inside, the spoiler comes wrapped in a nice protective film. They also give you extra tape because they already come pre-installed in the back of the spoiler, so you can put extra tape in there as well. Moving along, taking a look at the rest of the box and the packaging, they have other accessories that you can buy from their website, which does offer a nice variety of choice. It does offer different products and different features, so you do have the option to get more in the future, and I definitely will be a customer of EVBase because they do have some very good products that I see on their website. Lastly, but certainly not least, when you take a look at the spoiler itself, it does come wrapped in the protective film, as I said before. The spoiler itself is very, very high quality. It is a matte finish. It comes in a glossy finish, which I'm kind of jealous. I wish I had gotten the gloss finish. But the carbon fiber itself is very, very smooth. It's very similar to the one that Tesla sells you on their website. And all in all, when you put it on, based on the first impressions, as you see in the video, there is a nice little detail it adds to stand out. As you can see, we were just kind of pre-doing everything before we did the installation. Now, in this installation video, you're going to see I am actually partnered up with my uncle. My uncle is one of my biggest supporters and is a huge car enthusiast. He loves this stuff. So I was really happy that I was able to do the video with him and get used to seeing him, guys, because I wouldn't have asked for a better uncle than the one that's doing this video with me. So this is, I hope you guys enjoy it because he loves doing car stuff. But anyway guys, as you can see with the installation, we had to wipe down the surface. My uncle loves his ammo, so we used the ammo cleaner to help clean the back of the fin, because during the installation it's very clear you need to clean the surface to make sure that it goes on so that the adhesive sticks on very well. After we clean down the surface, we then put the alcohol pad and we wipe down the surface. Now, continuing on for just a second, talking about the experience, because you guys are seeing one for one how we installed it, how we lined it up to get a measurement. The experience with the spoiler is definitely a noticeable one. Now, I've been driving a Tesla for 3 years without a spoiler, and the benefit of having a spoiler is it increases the aerodynamic, so at high winds you're able to go faster and you don't lose as much range. I think you save about 2 to 3%, at least that's what the details say online. And also it helps make the car more stable when you're going at higher speeds with different wind gauges and others, environmental and stuff like that. Again, I'm probably going to get hit in the comments for the words that I'm saying, and Tesla Knights are definitely going to be very brutal on this one. But the installation process, going back for just a moment, was very simple and straightforward. We used the masking tape, as you guys could see, to help align the center. You have to make sure you get this right, because once you put it on, guys, it is on there. There is no coming off. And once you get it right, you get it done. That's the best way it's done. Now, the adhesive in the back does stick on very well, as you guys are going to see. And aligning it was very straightforward and easy. We just had to align it with the center frame of the car. And once we got the measurements, we were then able to apply the adhesive. Now, once the spoiler's on, it does have a nice extra feel to the car. It gives it more detail, and it just gives it a new facelift. It doesn't necessarily make a big overall difference on the surface, but when you look at it at different angles, having that extra carbon fiber fin is really, really cool, and I really like the extra layer that it adds. Now, inside of my car, real quickly, just going to show you guys, it aligns perfectly with my carbon fiber dashboard, which I also bought from EVBase. So again, I'm going all in on EVBase. Yeah, EVBase, I didn't tell you I bought that one. But yeah, it's a very, very good interior, and it lines up very well. But again, wish it had been glossy. But moving on, back to the installation and to the driving itself. So now that we've attached the spoiler and now that you guys are watching it, what are the questions you're probably wondering? Well, I recently took 2 trips out to New Jersey and to Long Island. And in those areas, we go 65 to 70 miles an hour. Again, that's kind of the normal if you're from New York or New Jersey. And I will tell you guys, I do notice a huge difference in the drive. The biggest difference that I was able to notice was that it was an increased smoothness at going at high speeds. And also, when I hit the 70 and above, it did not feel as rocky, where normally beforehand I would actually feel the difference, like the car ride. And again, mind you, same tires, all that, just letting you guys know for full context here. So the spoiler does have a difference in the aerodynamic of the car, and it does help give it extra oomph when you're going at higher speeds. There really is no negative that I can really think of in regards to this brand or just having the spoiler, besides giving it a nice look. The only thing that I could say that I would have wished for, and again, this is not a negative, this is just more of what I would have wanted. I would have liked to have had the glossy spoiler. I would have liked for that, but it fit on very well. There was no gaps. It fit flush, and as you guys can see, this was the final product of the spoiler. So all in all, when it comes to the spoiler itself, it's a great add-on to have. It's a great thing to have if you have a Tesla Model Y, and I think every Tesla owner should get a spoiler. So I will leave a link to EVBase's spoiler in the description. You can check it out. I also have a special code, and again, guys, I highly recommend it. The price is reasonable, and it does a very, very good job, and it makes the car ride an even better experience. So I hope I was able to give you guys some insight on the Tesla Model Y spoiler made by EVBase. If you guys have any questions or concerns, please feel free to write them in the comment section. Again, guys, I'm still getting into the Tesla accessory area, so I'm still learning as we go, but I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button. If you disliked the video, you can hit the dislike button. That hopefully circulate my videos as well. As always, everyone, thank you so much for watching, and peace.